Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload to Steam Workshop in Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is open up Wallpaper Engine, go ahead and click on the wallpaper that you want to upload to the Steam Workshop, and then click here on the right hand panel on Open in Editor. And once you do that, this pop-up opens up, and what you need to do is just come here to the top. You'll see Workshop. Click on Workshop and then click here on Share Wallpaper on Workshop. And now they'll ask you to go ahead and have a title. This is required. As you can see, there's an asterisk, and a preview image is also required. If you don't like the preview image, you can click on Capture Preview, and then you can just take a snapshot just like this and then press Enter to go ahead and save that. And then you can go ahead and publish this. This is the visibility. It's at public right now. You can change the age rating, genre, description, and also the scheme color if you want. As you can see, it has saved the changes, and then you can just go ahead and publish this, and now it is submitting this to the Steam Workshop. And once it is done uploading the content, you can go ahead and copy the workshop URL, or you can click on Show Wallpaper in Workshop, and your Steam will open up and it will redirect you to this page. As you can see, it's that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.